Hi there. So today I'm going to teach you how to illustrate or draw Venn diagrams. Watch for it. For the first application or problem solving about Venn diagram, I already put two different circles on the universal set because the problem states that in a medical trial on influenza, there were 50 patients. 23 received treatment A, 29 received treatment B. So that represents the first and the second circle. And 11 received both treatments. from the word both treatments, that will give you an idea that these two circles are overlapping already. They may be joints, sets, or they have like an intersection of sets. So the question is, how many patients have undergone neither of the two treatments? First, we need to identify the given. First, we have here the 50 patients, and then 23 received treatment A, and then another 29 received treatment B. And 11 are the ones that receive both treatment. For my suggestion, you look for the word both. That means these 11 who received the same treatments are present in A and in B. So we're going to put it here. So there, 11 receive both treatments. That's for the second one. And now, how many who received the treatment for A only? What is the clue there? The clue there is you're going to get the given for the ones who received treatment A, which is 23. Then subtract it with the both, or 11. So 23 minus 11 will result to how many? You will have 12. So from this data alone, you can see that the ones who receive the treatment A only, or the numbers of patients who receive the treatment A only, is 12. Next, how about the B only? How will you know that? So again, we're going to do the same thing. We get the numbers of those patients who receive treatment B, which is 29. And then again, subtract it with 11. So 29 minus 11, we have 18. So therefore, those who receive the B-only treatment will be 18 patients. Now, the question for the last one is, neither of the patients received treatment A or treatment B. So how are we going to do it? So we are going to add all the elements or the number of patients on set A and set B together with the ones who received the treatments on both A and B. So we have 12 plus 11 is 23 plus 18. The total would be, for this patients, is 41 patients. But if you're going to look at it, there were 50 patients. That means all of them are 50 patients. Now, the question for the neither of the treatments, or neither A or B, that they receive these treatments, we will able to get it by subtracting 50 minus 41. And that would be equal to 9. And this 9 would be outside your Venn diagram. And that means these 9 patients are the one who doesn't receive any treatment at all. Next, as you can see, I have already 3 circles on our Venn diagram. Now the clue here, maybe you will ask, how will you know that you have 3 circles? So we're going to read the problem. There are 44 students who were asked about their sports. 23 play basketball, which is my red circle. 20 play volleyball, which is the blue circle. And 16 play football. Now, how will you know also that these circles in your Venn diagram are overlapping? So let's continue reading the problem. 8 of them play both basketball and volleyball, so 8 of them. So therefore, B represents your basketball and V represents your volleyball. Now will be overlapping. And then another is 7 play volleyball and football. So your volleyball and football overlaps. F represents for your football. And 9 play basketball and football. So your basketball and football will overlap too. And the last one, it says that 6 of them play all the 3 sports. Again, getting the given, what I'm telling you is like we have 44 students here as a total number of students who were asked which sports do they play. And the next one, 23 play basketball, 20 play volleyball, and 16 play football. So those are our given, including this statements that A play both basketball and volleyball, 7 play volleyball and football, and 9 play basketball and football. Now 6 of them play all of the 3. So we're on the second letter now that 6 of them play all the 3. As you can see, these 3 circles are overlapping with one place here at the middle. So here you're going to put 6. Next would be the basketball and volleyball only. Basketball and volleyball only. That means we are going to cover this area, and so that we will see how many played basketball and volleyball. So if you're going to look at this, 6 is already there, and you have 8 of the students who play basketball and volleyball. So how are you going to do it? You are going to subtract 6 from 8, and then you will obtain 2. So therefore, 6 and 2 here will be equal to 8. So therefore, 8 of them play both basketball. Next would be 7 play volleyball and football. So we're going to concentrate on this part. They play volleyball and football. On this part, volleyball and football circles or diagrams overlap. Again, we already have 6 there who played both volleyball and football. So we're going to subtract 6 from 7 again, and we have 1. So 1 added to 6 will be equal to 7. Same is true with 9 that play basketball and football. So we're here. So we're going to subtract 6 from 9, and we will obtain 3. So those who played basketball and football will be equal to 9. Now, so from here, we can see how many. Those who played basketball and volleyball only would be 2, and those who played volleyball and football only is 1 student. And those who played basketball and football only would be 3. Got it? I hope you can follow. Now, how are we going to know how many are the students who played basketball only for the next question? So just like what we did on the first diagram with the 2 treatments A and B, we are going to add all of this inside circle B and then subtract them with the total number of students who play basketball. So here we have 2, 6, and 3. 2 plus 6 is 8, plus 3 is 11. And the total students who played basketball is 23. So 23 minus 11 will result to 12. And that would be the students who played basketball only. Same is true with the volleyball. Again, we're going to add 2 plus 6 plus 1 because they're under the circle or the diagram of volleyball. So 2 plus 6 is 8 plus 1 is 9. How many students who play volleyball? So we have 20. We will subtract 9 from 20 and we will get 11. And so therefore the answer among the students who played volleyball only is 11. Next, for the football only, again, we will do the same. So we're going to add on this circle, as you can see, it's on this circle. So we have 3 plus 6 plus 1. So we have 10. How many students who play football only? So we have 16. 16 minus 10, we have 6. Okay? So therefore, the students who played only football are 6. Now, question for the last one. Neither of the sports, meaning there are some students who doesn't play any of these 3 sports. Maybe they prefer a different one. So if getting the total of the students who were asked, we have 44 students. Again, for us to know those students who doesn't play any of these sports, we need to add all of these numbers on your Venn diagram. So I added them earlier, and these are equal to 41. All of this is equal to 41. So we're going to subtract 41 from 44, and that will give you an answer of 3. 3 students who doesn't play any of these sports. So 3 will be written outside the circles of your Venn diagram. I hope you learned something from me today with this simple explanation or representation of Venn diagram. See you again. And that's it. I hope you learned something from my simple video today. Don't forget to subscribe.